In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Go High Level with your Instagram like ManyChat to automate your DMs. So first, you're going to want to open up a new workflow and go to the trigger and set up a new trigger. So the trigger is going to be customer replied. And as a side note, before you even build this, you do need to connect your Instagram, and typically you need to have a Facebook business page connected first, and then connect your Instagram. And then from there, you'll be able to do customer replied and then select the reply channel, which will be Instagram. So we're going to go to filter, then we're going to go to reply channel, and then we are going to say Instagram DM. And then from there, we need to specify what are we wanting the trigger word to be, or how do we want this to start. So we can say contains phrase, tag, exact match, intent types. I would do exact match of a phrase because you don't want this going off for some random thing that isn't applicable. So let's just say you want to have someone message you the word niche. Then based off of this, we're going to be sending them a DM after that. So that's going to be your trigger, and you're going to do that. Next, actually tag them with something specific that will help you remember what it is or how they got into your system. So tag them probably with the keyword that they're replying with, so that at least you know where they're coming from. Because if Go High Level adds people to the contact list based off your Instagram, a lot of times it's off of like usernames, and a lot of times people don't have their first and last name, and so it can get really messy really quickly. So I would tag these people right off the bat, and then the next thing you want to do, Instagram DM here. So then you're going to click Instagram DM, and then you're going to say whatever it is you want to say. Hey, thanks for replying. Here is your link, let's just say. And then from there, you can add the link that you want to have, the PDF, whatever it is you want to add. And once that customer has initiated the conversation, you are now open to DM that person. And that is how you automate your DMs with Go High Level.